Hi, my name is Jordan. I'm taking Diploma of Business Part 2. I found out about GIC through my parents, in which they were trying to find out what college can I attend to. I chose GIC because they offered me a pathway and an opportunity to go abroad and also study abroad too. I'm going to study in Monash University and I will take strategic marketing. In GIC, I like to go around, make some friends, play billiards if there's time, socialize most of the time. My impressions on the new building would be that it's very fancy, it's nice, I'm honestly very impressed with the new building too. It's quite lavish as well. I really wanted to go abroad because it gave me the opportunity to study a higher level and higher quality of education. It's an opportunity that not most people can achieve, nor can they receive also. So I feel quite blessed for the opportunity to study abroad, and hence I will continue moving forward with the opportunity. I wanted to really become an entrepreneur in the future, and I realized that I talk a lot, and I might as well use the ability and find out what kind of job suits me, what diploma program suits me. And I found out that Diploma of Business is the diploma that really suits my ability and my characteristic. I joined the Entrepreneurs Club because I found it quite interesting that the GIC has a business club. I wasn't able to join mine back in my old high school, so I might as well take the opportunity now. I mean, it's better late than never. As for what I do there, I am the head of marketing and sales within the Entrepreneurs Club. So, based on the job title, as you can see, I handle mostly the marketing, the promotion, and also the sales when it comes to our business club. My message for future me, next 5, maybe 10 years, is that you'll find a way. You'll always find a way. For my message, for those who want to study abroad, please make sure that your grades are adequate and meets the requirements. And prepare yourself when you're going to study abroad. It's going to be a challenge, that's for sure. What you really need to prepare is, of course, number 1, your mental fortitude. It's a whole different environment, whole different situation, whole different area to adapt. What you really need to prepare, number 2 also, is the budget. For some people, or maybe for most, flying abroad there immediately is quite expensive. So you might as well just save some money, come to college, come to GIC specifically, and it'll save you some costs, it'll save you some money too. Thank you very much, and remember, start with GIC.